Hey yo, what's up beautiful people? Tony Slay here from Slay Pixels. Welcome to yet another amazing video. Today we're gonna be unlocking the secrets of cinematic suspense. So get ready to take your storytelling to a whole new level. Before we jump into the magic of tension, let's understand its power. Tension is the heartbeat of your film, the invisible force that keeps your audience on the edge of their seats. But how do you create tension? Stay with me and you'll find out. Pacing is everything. It's the tempo of your story, the rhythm that controls the audience's emotional journey. Imagine you're in a suspenseful scene and the pacing is off. What happens? You lose that tension. We are about to reveal the secrets to perfect pacing. But first, have you ever felt the chill down your spine when watching a thriller? What if I told you that the key to that feeling is actually in your hands? Keep watching to uncover the mystery. Christopher Nolan's Dunkirk, I think that's how it's pronounced, is a masterclass in pacing. The film uses the three different timelines to create a sense of urgency, keeping the audience on the edge of their seats throughout the film. Pay attention to the opening scene with soldiers running through the streets, the beach evacuation scenes, and the dogfights in the air. The nonlinear narrative contributes to the unique pacing of the film. Unfortunately, I can't share much of the footage because of copyright reasons, so make sure you check out the film. Silence can be deafening, and in filmmaking, it's a potent tool for building tension. But here's the twist. It's not just about removing sound. It's about strategic silence, the kind that makes your audience hold their breath without even realizing it. No Country for Old Men, directed by Joel and Ethan Coen, is it pronounced as Coen, is known for its strategic use of silence. The absence of traditional music score enhances the tension, making every quiet moment feel significant and suspenseful. Many scenes in the film feature sparse or no music, allowing the ambient sounds and dialogue to create tension. The coin toss scenes with Javier Bardem's character are particularly notable for their use of silence.
What's the most you ever lost on a coin toss?
Sir?
The most you ever lost on a coin toss?
I don't know. I couldn't say.
Call it.
Call it.
Yes.
For what?
Just call it.
Well, we need to know what we're calling it for here.
You need to call it. I can't call it for you. Well, it wouldn't be fair.
I didn't put nothing up.
Yes, you did. You've been putting it up your whole life. You just didn't know it. You know what date is on this coin?
No.
1958. It's been traveling 22 years to get here. And now it's here. And it's either heads or tails. And you have to say, call it.
Well, look, I need to know what I stand to win.
Everything.
How's that?
You stand to win everything, call it.
All right. Heads, then.
Well done. Don't put it in your pocket.
Sir?
Don't put it in your pocket. It's your lucky quarter.
Where you want me to put it?
Anywhere not in your pocket. Or it'll get mixed in with the others and become just a coin.
Ever heard of visual misdirection? It's like a magician's sleight of hand, but for the camera. Imagine creating tension by leading your audience's eyes where you want them to go, only to surprise them with what's lacking in the shadows. We are about to reveal the tricks behind the visual magic, but before that, what if I told you that some of the most iconic filmmakers have used these techniques to manipulate your emotions without you even realizing it? Stick around because we are about to expose their secrets. Alfred Hitchcock, I hope I pronounced the name correctly, was a pioneer of visual misdirection. In Psycho or Sicko, I don't know, he expertly leads the audience's attention away from crucial details, setting the stage for one of the most iconic plot twists in film history. The famous shower scene is a prime example of visual misdirection. Hitchcock uses editing and camera angles to redirect the audience's attention and build suspense without explicitly showing violence. Now let's talk about the unseen threat. Hitchcock mastered this technique and it's been haunting audiences ever since. The fear of the unknown, the unseen lurking just beyond the frame. It's the stuff nightmares are made of. But how do you use it effectively without giving away too much? Steven Spielberg's film Jaws is a classic example of the unseen threat. By delaying the full reveal of the shark, Spielberg builds tension and fear, making the audience's imagination work over time. The first half of the film relies on the unseen threat of the shark. The beach scenes and the use of the shark's point of view create a sense of impending danger without revealing the creature. We've covered pacing, the power of silence, visual misdirection, and the unseen threat. Now let's put it all together. Imagine crafting a scene that combines these elements, sending shivers down your audience's spines. We are about to break down a spine-chilling scene from a classic film to show you exactly how it's done. Stanley Kubrick's film The Shining combines all the mentioned techniques seamlessly. The deliberate pacing, effective use of silence, visual misdirection, and the constant use of an unseen threat contribute to the film's haunting atmosphere. Throughout the film, but especially in the scene involving the haunted hotel, the tension is built through the combination of pacing, silence, visual misdirection, and constant feeling of an unseen threat. The famous Here's Johnny scene is a culmination of these techniques.
Come out, wherever you are.
I can't get out.
Little pigs, let me come in. not by the hair on your chinny chin chin. Then I'll huff, and I'll puff, and I'll blow your house in. Here's Johnny.
And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. The key is to unlocking cinematic suspense. But remember, with great power comes great responsibility. Use these techniques wisely and you'll have your audience begging for more. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the art of tension, give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel. And stay tuned for more filmmaking secrets on this channel. Until next time, keep creating and keep them gazing. Blessings.